Don't make these 4 mistakes when taking baking soda. Did you know that something as common as baking soda may cause serious health issues if used incorrectly? While baking soda has been hailed for its many uses, from easing heartburn to freshening up your home, there are some big mistakes people make when using it that may harm their health. In this video, I will tell you about 4 crucial mistakes you should avoid when taking baking soda. Before you try baking soda for anything, whether it's for health or any other reason, it's important to know how to use it properly. And as always, if you have any health concerns, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider. Now, let's get started. 1. Taking excessive quantities. Baking soda is essentially sodium bicarbonate, and when you take it, it reacts with the acid in your stomach to produce carbon dioxide and water, neutralizing acid quickly. But when you consume too much, you flood your body with more sodium than it can handle. Sodium is essential for your body to function properly, but in excess, it may strain your kidneys. Your kidneys are like your body's filters, and when there's too much sodium to deal with, they work overtime trying to excrete it. Over time, this may lead to kidney damage, especially if you already have underlying conditions. Moreover, taking too much baking soda may make your blood overly alkaline, a condition called metabolic alkalosis. Normally, your body works hard to keep your blood's pH in a tight range. But when it shifts too far toward alkalinity, it may interfere with critical functions like muscle contractions and nerve signaling. This is why people who overuse baking soda might feel symptoms like muscle weakness, dizziness, or even confusion. In severe cases, it may lead to convulsions or irregular heart rhythms. Now, let's talk about the effect on your digestive system. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, but you need that acid to break down food properly. If you overwhelm your stomach with baking soda, it may disrupt digestion and cause a rebound effect where your stomach produces even more acid to compensate. This may worsen issues like acid reflux over time, rather than solving them. Plus, too much gas from the reaction of baking soda with stomach acid may cause bloating and discomfort. Moreover, according to the BMC journal, excessive baking soda consumption might lead to gastric rupture in rare cases. 2. Consuming it too close to meals. When you eat, your stomach starts producing acid to break down the food. This acid is essential for digestion. It helps break proteins into amino acids, kills harmful bacteria, and prepares nutrients for absorption in your intestines. If you take baking soda right before or after a meal, it neutralizes that stomach acid too quickly. While this might give you temporary relief from acidity, it actually interrupts the entire digestive process. Without enough stomach acid, your food doesn't break down properly, which may leave you feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Over time, this incomplete digestion may lead to nutrient deficiencies because your body isn't able to absorb key vitamins and minerals effectively. Another problem is that neutralizing stomach acid too soon after eating may trigger something called a rebound effect. When your stomach senses that its acid levels are dropping, it tries to compensate by producing even more acid. This may lead to a cycle where you feel like you constantly need more baking soda, but you're actually making your symptoms worse in the long run. There's also an issue with the gas produced by baking soda when it reacts with stomach acid. This reaction releases carbon dioxide, which may create pressure in your stomach. If you take baking soda when your stomach is already full from a meal, that extra gas may lead to discomfort, bloating, or even burping. In some cases, the buildup of gas may push stomach contents back up into your esophagus, making acid reflux symptoms worse instead of better. 3. Ignoring pre-existing health conditions. Baking soda is packed with sodium, and for people with high blood pressure or heart conditions, this may be a big problem. When you take baking soda, it adds extra sodium to your bloodstream. For someone with healthy blood pressure, this might not be a big deal, but if you're already dealing with hypertension, that extra sodium may push your blood pressure even higher. Over time, this may strain your heart and blood vessels, increasing your risk of complications like a heart attack or stroke. Apart from that, baking soda consumption may cause issues if you have kidney problems. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and balancing the electrolytes in your blood. When you take baking soda, especially in larger amounts, the sodium load may overwhelm your kidneys. If your kidneys are already compromised, this added strain may lead to fluid retention, swelling, or even worsening kidney function. Moreover, people who deal with fluid retention or conditions like edema should also be careful about their baking soda consumption. Baking soda increases the sodium in your body, which may cause you to retain even more water. This might lead to swelling in your legs, feet, or hands, and it may make you feel bloated or uncomfortable. But beyond the physical discomfort, this extra fluid puts more pressure on your heart and lungs, making it harder for your body to function normally. It's a chain reaction that may quickly get out of hand. According to PubMed, excessive use of baking soda has the ability to cause a variety of serious metabolic abnormalities. 4. Mixing it with incompatible substances. When you mix baking soda with acidic substances like vinegar or citrus juice, a chemical reaction occurs that releases carbon dioxide gas. While this bubbling effect might seem fun to watch, it's not so fun for your stomach. If you ingest this mixture, the rapid production of gas may create pressure in your stomach, especially if it's already full. In extreme cases, this may lead to bloating, discomfort, or even gastric distension, which is when your stomach stretches beyond its normal size. Another risky combination is taking baking soda with alcohol. Baking soda is already tough on your kidneys when overused, and alcohol makes this even worse. Alcohol dehydrates your body, which means your kidneys have to work harder to maintain balance. Adding baking soda into the mix increases sodium levels, putting extra stress on your kidneys and potentially leading to fluid retention or worsening kidney function. It's like making an already hard job nearly impossible for your body's natural filtration system. The National Kidney Foundation recommends that people with healthy kidneys may avoid baking soda for better health. Mixing baking soda with certain medications may also lead to unintended interactions. For example, if you're taking aspirin or antacids, adding baking soda may amplify their effects, which might sound helpful at first but may actually harm you. Baking soda may change the pH of your stomach and bloodstream, altering how these medications are absorbed or metabolized. This may either make the medicine too strong, causing side effects, or weaken its effectiveness, meaning it doesn't work as intended. Your body relies on a delicate balance to process medications properly, and throwing baking soda into the equation may disrupt that balance. Now that we have discussed the mistakes to avoid while taking baking soda, let's talk about the promising benefits of baking soda. 1. Supports exercise recovery. When you engage in intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid as a byproduct of energy production. This lactic acid is what causes the familiar burning sensation during a tough workout. Baking soda, being a natural alkaline substance, helps buffer the acid in your bloodstream, reducing the overall acidity in your body. By lowering the buildup of hydrogen ions, it allows your muscles to contract more efficiently for a longer time. This means you may power through those last few reps or extend your endurance during high-intensity training. Furthermore, baking soda has the ability to enhance recovery by improving your body's oxygen utilization. When your blood pH is slightly more alkaline, oxygen may be delivered to your muscles more effectively. This improved oxygen flow helps repair the micro tears in your muscle fibers that occur during exercise. Faster repair not only reduces soreness, but also means you're ready to hit your next workout sooner, with less downtime holding you back. Moreover, baking soda plays a unique role in stabilizing electrolytes after exercise. During intense training, your body loses electrolytes like potassium and magnesium through sweat, which may lead to muscle cramps or overall fatigue. Baking soda's sodium content helps replenish these electrolytes and balances your hydration levels. This isn't just about avoiding cramps, it's about ensuring your muscles stay energized and ready for action. With this balance restored, you'll feel more refreshed and less drained after your workout. The Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition confirms sodium bicarbonate enhances high-intensity performance. 2. promotes oral health from within. Taking baking soda to promote oral health might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, its unique properties make it a surprisingly effective tool for maintaining a healthy mouth. When you consume baking soda in moderation, it helps balance the pH levels in your saliva. Your mouth naturally has bacteria, both good and bad, but harmful bacteria thrive in an acidic environment. By making your saliva slightly more alkaline, baking soda creates an environment where these harmful bacteria struggle to survive. This not only reduces the risk of cavities, but also helps prevent gum disease and other oral infections over time. Think of it as creating a hostile environment for the bad guys while keeping the good ones in check. Another way baking soda supports oral health is by reducing plaque buildup from within. Plaque is a sticky film that forms on your teeth and may lead to decay if left unchecked. Baking soda helps break down this buildup by neutralizing acids that contribute to its formation. Unlike external brushing with baking soda, consuming it works systemically, supporting a healthier oral microbiome and reducing the chances of plaque forming in the first place. Moreover, baking soda may improve the overall condition of your gums. Healthy gums are the foundation of a strong oral system, and baking soda's ability to control acidity helps protect your gums from inflammation. Chronic gum inflammation, often caused by unchecked bacterial growth, may lead to bleeding, discomfort, and eventually periodontal disease. By addressing this at the root, baking soda may help maintain strong, resilient gums that protect your teeth for years to come. According to the National Journal of Maxillofacial Surgery, a study of 25 subjects found that using a sodium bicarbonate oral rinse significantly increased salivary pH and marginally reduced bacterial colony. 3. May reduce uric acid levels. Uric acid, by nature, is acidic and tends to crystallize in acidic environments, especially in your joints and kidneys. By increasing the pH level of your body slightly, baking soda creates a more alkaline environment that dissolves these uric acid crystals, making it easier for your body to eliminate them through your urine. This reduces the buildup of uric acid in your joints, which may alleviate the sharp, debilitating pain associated with gout attacks and improve mobility over time. Your kidneys play a key role in filtering and excreting uric acid, and they operate more efficiently in a balanced pH environment. When you take baking soda, it helps reduce the acidity your kidneys need to process, lightening their workload. This improved efficiency allows your kidneys to clear out excess uric acid more effectively, which is crucial for preventing kidney stones and maintaining long-term kidney health. It's like giving your kidneys a supportive boost to handle their job with less strain. Baking soda also has an anti-inflammatory edge when it comes to uric acid-related conditions. High levels of uric acid may trigger inflammation in your joints, leading to swelling, redness, and discomfort. By neutralizing the acidity in your body, baking soda may help reduce this inflammatory response, easing the symptoms of gout and other related conditions. Over time, this not only improves your immediate symptoms, but also lowers the risk of chronic inflammation, taking a toll on your overall health. An author manuscript pilot trial found that oral sodium bicarbonate therapy in adults with type 1 diabetes reduced uric acid crystals and inversely correlated with kidney injury molecule 1 levels, suggesting its potential as a safe, cost-effective intervention to protect kidney tubules. 4. Eases itchy skin conditions internally. When you consume baking soda in small amounts, it helps balance your body's internal pH levels. Many itchy skin conditions like eczema or hives are linked to systemic inflammation and an overly acidic internal environment. Baking soda's alkalizing properties help neutralize this acidity, creating a more stable environment within your body. This shift may lower the inflammatory response that triggers the itch, providing relief that goes beyond the surface. It's like addressing the root of the problem rather than just the symptom. Another way baking soda helps is by improving your body's ability to flush out toxins. Your skin is often a reflection of what's happening internally, and when toxins build up, they may trigger itching and irritation. Baking soda enhances kidney function, helping these vital organs filter waste more efficiently. With fewer toxins circulating in your system, your skin has a better chance to heal and maintain its natural barrier, reducing the likelihood of persistent itching. Baking soda also plays a role in improving hydration and electrolyte balance, which may directly impact skin health. When your body is dehydrated or lacking proper electrolyte balance, your skin may become dry, flaky, and more prone to itching. Baking soda's sodium content, when consumed in moderation, supports fluid retention in the right balance, keeping your skin hydrated from within. This added hydration not only soothes irritation but also promotes overall skin resilience, making it less likely to react to external irritants. The National Eczema Association recommends baking soda baths for 10 to 15 minutes to relieve the condition. Taking baking soda orally might also help. 5. Balances acid-forming diets. When you eat a diet rich in acidic foods like red meat, processed snacks, or sugary drinks, your body has to work extra hard to neutralize the acid load. This involves pulling alkaline minerals like calcium and magnesium from your bones and tissues to balance your pH levels. Over time, this process may weaken your bones and deplete essential nutrients. By taking baking soda in small amounts, you help your body directly reduce its acid load without needing to tap into these critical mineral reserves. This may protect your bone health and prevent the slow leaching of calcium that contributes to long-term issues like osteoporosis. Another incredible benefit of balancing an acidic diet with baking soda is its impact on metabolic efficiency. An overly acidic environment may interfere with your body's enzyme functions, making it harder for your cells to produce energy efficiently. Baking soda, by promoting a more alkaline state, helps your enzymes function optimally, improving everything from energy production to nutrient absorption. This means you feel more energized and less sluggish, even after meals that might otherwise leave you feeling weighed down. Furthermore, baking soda may help mitigate the internal inflammation that often results from an acid-heavy diet. Chronic low-grade inflammation, fueled by acidity, is a silent contributor to a range of issues, including digestive discomfort, fatigue, and even more serious conditions over time. By alkalizing your body, baking soda helps to calm this inflammation, promoting better gut health and overall well-being. An author manuscript study found that oral sodium bicarbonate activates splenic anti-inflammatory pathways, highlighting a novel immune regulatory mechanism. Moving on, let's discuss how much baking soda should you eat. If you've been thinking about adding baking soda to your routine, you might be wondering, how much should I actually take? Trust me, I've been there, trying to figure out the right amount without overdoing it. The good news is, you don't need a lot to enjoy its benefits. Recommended dosage. The ideal starting point for consuming baking soda is 1/4 teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water. This small amount is typically sufficient to help balance your body's pH, ease digestive discomfort, or support other health needs. However, it's important to avoid exceeding 1/2 teaspoon at a time or more than 1.5 teaspoons in a day, as higher doses may lead to side effects like bloating, gas, or even electrolyte imbalances, which may impact overall health. Take baking soda safely. To ensure safety and effectiveness, always dissolve baking soda in at least 8 ounces of water before consuming it. Drinking it straight or taking it dry is not recommended, as it may cause irritation to your mouth, throat, or stomach. Dissolving it fully in water helps your body process it more gently and minimizes the risk of discomfort. For the best results, take baking soda on an empty stomach or at least 1 hour before or after meals. When you use baking soda the right way, it may be an amazing and natural remedy for so many things, but if you don't use it properly, it may cause some serious issues for your body. That's why it's so important for you and me to be cautious. If you're thinking about adding baking soda to your routine, especially for health reasons, make sure you check in with your doctor first, especially if you have any medical conditions. By understanding what not to do, you may enjoy all the incredible benefits of baking soda without putting your health at risk. Now that we have talked about baking soda, Let's focus on something else. Our daily diets play a crucial role in maintaining our health. If you are looking for more food-related videos, here are a few more to check out. Watch 10 powerful health benefits of moringa powder. Or try 10 longevity drinks doctors have every day to live longer. Go ahead, watch one, or even better, both. What are your favorite health benefits of baking soda? Tell us in the comments section below.